Winding down the work week, folks. Where else are you gonna see 50-plus-year-old truck doing a dump run? I was actually gonna use my newer truck, a 1970 Dodge. But I had a dump trailer. What is that? Sounded like somebody's trailer about to fall off and it just holding on by the chain. Anyway, old man needed some stuff hauled off from his place. And I'll tell you what, when you're building custom hot rods or custom trucks, your Amazon and eBay Motors, delivery fulfillments, and just other custom project odds and ends, you end up with a lot of cardboard boxes. I'll tell you what, I'm going to start building the exhaust for the dump truck. I've teased at that quite a bit. That is a big project that is getting close to being wrapped up. And let me show you what the plans are for the other rig. Look at all this cardboard just from freaking one project rig. I tell you what, you end up with so much packages, it's ridiculous. Where's it at? I got some round stock right there. We'll see if I get around to it tomorrow. But you guys got a little skeptical on me when I was loading trucks onto the dump truck. Check it out. I got some new aluminum ramps. Not really as advertised. They are a little bit thinner than I was hoping for, but for loading cars and such onto this truck, do just fine. Snagged this round stock from my old man's place. He's got a collection of odds and ends like this. What I want to do is weld some flat bar to the back of the bed right here in a vertical pattern and put this on top of it with a little bit of a gap so I can put my ramps right there on that. And since it's round stock, what I need to do is lower the bed a lot to get the ramps kind of flat, and then once I get the vehicle started on the trailer or the truck, then I can lower the bed down, work on that angle. These things were 200 bucks for the pair. Couldn't pass it up. On sale for 50% off. Figure that out. For another project I had, that would have been nicer if they're longer, but let's go ahead and finish up this loading and get on out of here. Sun's going down and get the dump run done tomorrow morning. Oh yeah, I noticed this jewel last night when I picked the trailer up. Yep, gotta get out the plug kit right there. Shoot. Yep, that was definitely from a dump run right there. I don't got anything like that on the property. Brand new. Wait, what am I doing? Take it back to the dump. There we go. Be honest with you, don't know if this is gonna work. But we're in a pickle. So you start kicking. And we're gonna kick. It's some super glue. Don't know. Give it more. Yeah. Yep, top of the morning to you, tire. That super glue tire plug. It's right there. She held. Yeah. You ready to see how the new turbo does? A little cold start action. It's not that cold, so truck don't care. All right, we're right on time. Tow test with a small load of trash, mainly cardboard. Not gonna make it to cars and coffee this morning, so this is a combination. Production, coffee, chocolate, even brought some muffins. Boat muffins. You guys know the story behind boat muffins right there? Look like a boat, tastes like a muffin. Be nice to start off first year. Still got that fuel suck a little bit of air. Gotta figure that out. PSI right there. Remember, this thing wouldn't pull the hill in fourth gear empty to save its life. We got a third right now. We got a little hump, and then we're going to drop a gear or grab a gear. The 354 gears, a little bit tall for that pattern, but at least it's pulling it. Well, started losing it a little bit before the crest. I didn't run that corner hard enough. I have to do this video with my 96. It's got 410s in it and a lot more power. I think our door's open. Yeah, that door is definitely cracked. Get it loud over there. Significant improvement. I couldn't even pull that in third gear with that trailer, I guarantee it. I'm happy with that. Didn't even get up to thermostat. Dump's not even open yet. Got another X amount of minutes. Maybe why? 15 minutes. So we'll sit back and enjoy our muffins. What do you think? Time for a boat muffin?
We can't eat right now because we have to go over there.
Well, we got to wait for this line of cars that's in front of us, Miko. Pretty good, huh? Must be good call bringing those boat muffins. See, they got the new blacktop in over here, dude. Look at that new road. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Looks real nice.
Dad, I like the new picture.
That's an old picture, buddy. That's what the truck used to look like.
We might put it on tomorrow.
Okay.
But where did you get it?
Mom made that.
Why?
For the car show, so people can see what the truck used to look like. Hey, we're 14.2. What's your guess? 14.3? Oh, man. Oh, we're late. 12.3. Well, that's unconventional as all shit right there, I'll tell you what. Who else is driving one of these rigs out here? I'd be the only retard. Cool people. Hold on. I think we're going to be real quick. No, put it back. Because we got popovers at the house. Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. That's a sweet Jeep. I used to have a Jeep just like that one. Same color and everything. Well, you want to get in there, dude? That was your first Cars, Coffee, and Dump run, huh? Hey, let's not get in there. Let's go eat breakfast. Mom's got breakfast ready for us. Nice Saturday morning breakfast. Let's go. Know how to push it inside? Good boy, Mr. Strongman. Now he's gonna go take it for a drive. Callahan, you remember helping push the cab? You remember pushing this thing into the shop?
Yeah.
It's been a little while since we did that, wasn't it? He's going somewhere. Don't know where he's going. Silly goose. Stand up there. Good job, buddy. All that dust?
Yeah.
That'll scratch the paint. You try to run your hand on it. Even though it's just a truck.
It's wax.
Yeah, we don't scratch it, huh? That's being a goofball.